Hi there, theorists. Neil here again. Happy Friday, the 6th of March, 2020. Grab your gear because we're going to put on a cherry bomb trade. See you on the platform. Okay, so we have the E-mini S&Ps futures pulled up so we can see kind of what the market's been doing overnight while I was sleeping. I don't know what time it is when you're watching this. So here, I'm going to zoom in on the last few days, and we can see we had a down day yesterday, and it's looking like another down day that's already taken us past where we opened up. Let's say that's Wednesday, right? So it's looking like some of our positions are going to start hurting a little more, but that's okay. Hey, we just want to see where the market's going, keep our awareness up, right? And with that said, our cherry bomb trade that comes in for today, of course, from Tom Preston, it's our trade idea, which is on a 5-day week, Tuesday through Friday. Please use the link in the description below to go over to tastytrade.com. I don't get an email. It's not an affiliate link. Head on over, sign up for their email blast so that you can get these emails early in the morning, hours before this video is released, so you can examine these trades too. But if you'd like to just wait and trade along with me, that'd be great too, because that's what we're here for. All right, so with that said, today's trade, I'm under the charts tab here, and I'm going to type in our ticker for today, and that's going to be AAPL, a little bit of Apple, right? Okay, so we can see Apple jumped a little bit too. Boy, it went really far down and has come back up. And Preston is suggesting in this one that we might consider it sort of range bound for the next 42 days in the April expiration. So with that said, let's take a look over at the Analyze tab. We're on Add Simulated Trade. We're at a monthly expiration, which is good, right? Because we tend to get better liquidity there. So let's open up those April 42 days to expiration strikes. And we're going to do an iron condor, right? Because that is a neutral strategy. And with that said, we're going to take a look at the put side. Our short put is going to be the 255. So that's right here. And of course, we're selling it. So 255. I'm going to right click on the $6.10. Of course, these numbers probably will change. All right. Iron condor. I'm going to choose Analyze Sell Trade. You have to move really slow. Okay, iron condor. And we'll look at our puts first. We're short the 255, long the 250. Right? Remember, this is where we take our risk. This is where we take off our risk. Okay, so it's a defined risk trade. So we don't want it to go below 255. And let's take a look here at our call side. Our call side is going to be short the 325. So find the one that's -1 to, what did we say? No, 325. Okay, and that means we're going to need to reinsure and protect ourselves beyond that at the 330 mark. Okay, so right now it's looking like it would be a $1.77 credit. Okay, let's take a look at the profile, risk profile. Well, we are slightly skewed to the left side. Let's put on our monthly expiration chart here. Let's zoom out a smidge. And let's set our price slices to break even at expiration. Okay, so while the odds may not seem amazing, a 52% chance probability of profit or breaking even, right? Remember that in a tasty trade approach, what we're looking for is to collect 50% of that maximum credit. And if you were someone who uses the Tastyworks platform, they'll give you that P50 statistic, which Tom does give you in the emails very often as well, too, along with a screenshot. And so it looks like there is a 70% chance of collecting 50% of that credit, right? And so I know these numbers are pre-market. So just like yesterday when we got filled on our Southwest Airlines trade, it wasn't what we saw when we put it on in the morning. And that's okay. So as always, we are going to put on this trade. Now, I'm not covering any management. So if you like these videos, but you're like, well, when do you take them on and off and all that stuff? Mondays is when I'll do my portfolio analysis and talk about the things that I've done or what we could do to manage the trades that are going against us. But with that said, tune in Mondays, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of thing. And I'm going to right click now on this Iron Condor. I'm going to choose confirm and send and review here so that my maximum profit's 177. My max loss is, of course, $500. The width of the strikes is $5. All right, minus the 177 gives us your $323 of maximum risk. So here you are. If you're in a small portfolio, right, you can actually get exposure to Apple, right, stock, without having to be able to purchase Apple stock or short Apple stock, right? Which is, as we saw in the $200-300-ish range per share. So, okay, we're going to confirm now and send, and we're going to check our monitor tab. We see we have our working order, and that's also indicated here, and we have our 3 other positions as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Cherry Bomb. You're one of our Bomb Squad members. Thank you very much for being here. And leave us a like if you enjoyed this video. Have any questions or ideas of things you'd like to see covered and maybe a how-to video? Please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in another video.